2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling, along with automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.